What's up, kings and queens? It's Sadidi, also known as Tajay, and I am back with another video. And in this video, I will be doing a holographic unicorn nail. So I'm going to start off with a black base, an even black base, and I'm going to cure that for about 60 seconds. Then I'm going to take it out. Now, normally I will put non-white top coat on top of that black, and it's actually recommended, but I'm running out of top coat, so I got to work around that. So I'm going to apply that unicorn powder all over the nail. I think I got it from Born Pretty when I was at school a couple years ago as a gift. Somebody gifted this to me, so I think it's from Born Pretty. But I'm going to apply that unicorn dust, and then I am going to go in with my top coat then, and I'm going to cure that for about 60 to 90 seconds. So once my nail is done curing, I'm then going to go in with some builder gel and some top coat mixed together, and just do some thin lines. I'm actually using a striping brush. Like, that's how easy it is. So try to get an even layer, and then kind of like slide it onto the nail. Don't put too much pressure, because then it'll get too wide and start running everywhere. So that's all I'm doing, just putting diagonal lines on the nail all the way down. Some people, like I said, smush down, but in my experience, it just spreads everywhere. So you definitely want to have a light hand with this. Once I go all the way down with this, I'm then going to cure for about 120 seconds. And that's so that, again, that it don't smear and it doesn't run all over my nail and messing up my design. Once I cure that nail, I'm going to put on top coat, which I did not show, and then I'm pretty much done. So yeah, this is the finished look of a holographic unicorn nail. Pretty easy, pretty easy. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and